Culture evolves in ways that are analogous to, but distinct from genomes. While humans are relatively homogeneous genetically, they speak or sign more than 7,000 mutually unintelligible languages. We carried out an analysis comparing cultural and genetic variation from populations in and around Northeast Asia. Our data span languages from 11 different linguistic families. We extracted the variation in language, music, and genomes, and we tested for correlations. Specifically, we distinguished between three different properties of language: the lexicon, or the words in a language; phonology, or the different sounds in a language; and grammar, the rules in a language for creating words and sentences. We find significant correlations between genetic variation and grammar. Grammatical similarity predicts genetic population history, and vice versa. We identified three possible scenarios that might explain this relationship. One scenario is recent contact. Spatial neighborhood between societies might lead to similar patterns in genes and grammar that are relatively recent and shallow. The second scenario is shared descent. The associations reflect common ancestry within the linguistic families in the sample. The third scenario is a deep time correspondence. The associations reflect a non-shallow correspondence between grammar and genetics that traces back to before the formation of linguistic families. We were able to statistically exclude recent contact and shared descent as possible scenarios. Thus, the relationship between grammar and genes most probably reflects a correspondence that goes way back in time. Grammatical structure may reflect population history more closely than other cultural data, including the lexicon.